Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and I'm totally lost really what this gentleman wants to do or person. I'm going to quit saying gender because I get so many emails I get lost on who sent me what. They asked how you can recreate a rectangle. First of all, I don't even have a picture of the whole rectangle, and I don't know if you're going to engrave it or cut these lines. So I'm going to do it both ways. Just take don't hold down your control button and make your rectangle whatever you want. I've got mine unlocked, so I'm going to make it 20 by 12. And then these lines are just lines. If you're going to engrave them, you're going to take a 2-point line. So we can do this a couple of different ways. That's probably like I'm going to say that angle. You'll know better than that. If you want to engrave it, we're going to make it black. We're going to make it something other than a hairline. Let's go like 12 point. That's actually thicker than probably that is. We're going to make this line longer. Matter of fact, quite a bit longer, because we're going to bring it up. I don't know the size. I don't know how big it is. So I am going to go straight up, and I'm going to do a 1-inch nudge. So I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard, and that's not enough. Let's go 2 inches. So with nothing selected, go 2 inches. And because I'm going straight up, this will work. And then just go Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D on so. Now, there are several ways you could trim this. I find it the best. Let's change our nudge factor like to 10. And let's get our rectangle out of the way. Now, this is only for engraving. I would select all these, Control G, and I would put that back. I'm using somebody else's program that doesn't have act as field. Then I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to go to the intersect tool, and what the intersect tool is going to put those lines that size. Now we're going to have to resize them to make them, because I did not turn them to an object. So we don't want, let's say we don't want that outer side, but we got this, and we're going to make them that 8 points or 10 points or 12 points, whatever thickness. Make sure you turn them black, just so the engraver will know. And then if you want this box around there. Now this is how it would work if you were going to just engrave it. But if you wanted to cut these slats out, all you'd have to do is just take these and let's make them red. And if you want that space there, so we didn't have to really make it red, let's actually make them a little thicker. Let's make them 24 points. Let's go to Object. Well, we got to ungroup them. So what we're going to do, we're going to ungroup these first and go group and ungroup. And I'm going to take all of these away except for the one. So if you will hold down your Alt key, it'll touch them all. Now what I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to go to Object, and I'm going to go to convert the outline to an object. And I can actually left click and right click, and there's a cut line through there. It's going to cut both sides of that. Now we let's put our nudge factor back to 2 inches. And I'm not sure I'm helping him, but I'm giving him my best shot. And after I send him the video, he can email me. And then we're going to do the same thing we did before. Group these together, Control G, and then take our box. And I can't imagine why you would want to cut these out like this, but I'm not going to question. And then we're going to go and select everything. I'm selected 2 objects, go up and intersect them. And what that did, now that made cut lines. And that would actually work, and then you could cut the outside out, and it would be individual pieces of, you could put them, I would just cut them through there, but I don't know what he's doing. If he wants that space and he wants them, and then he's going to glue them down or something, you're going to have this space between there. This is going to be trash. So the wood is going to actually look like, let's get some sort of wood color. And I'm still guessing. I'm going to get my Smart Fill tool and check. Well, what I got to do is change it up here. I'll get a wood color, and this is what your wood would look like, and with the spaces between them. Anyway, if that's not what he was asking, I'm sure he'll email me back and let me know. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.